Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, afternoon, evening, and night. First of all, we would like to thank you for Mr. Professor Dr. Azhar Afandi and our rector Muhammad Iqbal Baihaqi, SAMM, as the lecturer of Strategic Management Seminar course for giving us the opportunity to present our thesis entitled Comparative Analysis of Transportation Model using the Northwest Corner Rule or NWCR and risk cost method on distribution cost, starting from the background, problem formulation, research objective, result and discussion to the conclusion we obtain. First, let me introduce our group. My name is Saldarianti, NRP 2110 0 and 11, and my colleague Devina Latifah, NRP 21 40 10 226. All right, for the discussion, chapter 1 will be presented by Devina.
For the chapter 1 is about introduction. Drinking water has a very important role in everyday life. Drinking water is a necessity that must be consumed by every individual. Water is said to make up to 60% of the adult body. Drinking water is just important to nutrients as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins. The body needs 1 to 2.5 liters of mineral water daily, or the equivalent to 6 or 8 glasses. Currently, bottled drinking water is one of the instant products on the market by offering a variety of advantages and benefits. Currently, the AMDK industry continues to increase in terms of numbers with increasingly diverse business scale. Based on data from the Directorate of Processed Food Registration of the POM Agency, the number of AMDK production facilities in 2022 is 1,247 facilities spread throughout Indonesia. The distribution of the AMDK industry is the most top 3 in province of West Java, East Java, and South Sulawesi. BPS data shows that the majority of 40.64% of Indonesian households use branded bottled water or refillable water as their source of drinking water. The increase in branded bottle needs is also due to higher water needs of the community, which try to support healthy and practical living. Based on survey conduct on the web data box provides the result of products consumed by the public, which show 63.67% of people choose to consume mineral water, 35.2% choose soft drinks, 2.3% don't consume at all. In addition, it can be seen in the picture beside that there are currently many drinking water companies spread across all provinces in Indonesia. This data is based on the Federal Statistics Agency or BPS for 2017 to 2021. In the annual survey of clean water companies, which is evidence that the bottled water business in Indonesia counts a lot. Even West Java places 8 out of 10 province with the highest number of clean water companies. Sequentially, the top 3 mineral water products known by the most respondents are Aqua, Le Mineral, and Ades. Ades drinking water is one of leading bottled water brands in Indonesia. The Coca-Cola Company acquired the Ades from Unilever in 2016 through one of its subsidiaries. Ades products are available in variety of packaging size, ranging from small to large, suitable for family consumption. The increase in demand for Ades drinking water is evidenced by its sales and revenue, which continue to increase from 2019 to 2023. Based on this description above, the author is interested in conducting research and distribution costs and compiling it in the form of research entitled Comparative Analysis of Transportation Models using the Northwest Corner Rule method and least cost method of distribution costs in Ades drinking water. Next is problem identification. Based on the background that has been described, the identified problems can be described as follows. 1. The existence of bottled drinking water companies is greatly increasing. 2. Distribution costs are constantly fluctuating or can be said to be not fixed. 3. Distribution costs are not optimal. And the last, transportation of packaged beverage often requires high costs. And problem formulation, based on the description put forward in background of the problem, the research problem can be formulated as follows. Number 1, how does the Northwest Corner Rule or NWCR method affect distribution costs in ADES drinking water? And number 2, how does the least cost method affect distribution costs in ADES drinking water? Research objective. The objectives that the author wants to achieve in this research report are as follow: to find out the calculation of the Northwest Corner Rule method on distribution cost in ADES drinking water, and number 2, to find out the calculation of the least cost method against the cost of distribution in ADES drinking water. And the research is expected to provide solution and use to various parties for researchers, companies, and for future researches. Views obtained in the study as follow: as input to the company in managing distribution activities, to assist companies in performance improvement and evaluation materials, and the last, as a reference and library material for research on the same research object.
So for the second chapter, that is a theoretical study. In this literature review, we will discuss theories that are relevant and related to the variables to be studied. The theories that will be explained in the literature review are the understanding of management in general, operation management, the scope of operation management, the least cost method, the Northwest Corner Rule method, and others. For the management, there is several definitions. The first one is management is defined as a process because each manager must perform certain activities that are interrelated to achieve the desired goal based on the system. This process consists of management activities such as planning, organizing, directing, controlling, and many more management activities. According to Edison et al., 2022, there are 4 management functions which are follows: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Planning is very important for management because what is described in planning is a decision, policy, direction, and expectation that must be achieved. For organizing, after planning is determined to be a decision, the leader in the according with his authority organized, where directors authorize work and allocated overall costs. And leading, the function of leading includes directing and moving subordinates into accordance with the level of authority. And the last one is control. Function aims to ensure that the process has run in accordance with the plan and principle that have been set. Next. For management operation, there is a discipline that focus on optimizing the use of resources in the production process to produce effective and efficient product or service. It includes aspects of planning, organizing, implementing, and supervising in the production process, both to produce goods and service, with the aim of achieving efficiency, effectiveness, and meeting customer needs and expectations. The transportation model in the context of operation management and operation research involve moving resources from different origin to various destinations. With the aim of minimizing overall cost, the transport model must be balanced in the sense that the total supply from all sources must equal the total demand in all destinations. Here is an example of a table used in transportation model. There is two methods that we use. The first one is the northwest corner method. There is a method of solving transportation problems by filling in the initial table of transportation tasks, starting from the northwest side of the leftmost box or the upper left corner. As much as possible, it will be allocated without violating existing restriction, namely supply and demand. And for the least cost, this method is based on prescriptive rules or allocation of supply and demand resource in the transportation matrix. Without extensive economic calculation, the least cost method performs the planned box allocation based on minimum transportation cost. Next, the distribution and distribution cost. Distribution is a process of delivering product from manufacturer to customer. In addition, distribution can be considered as one of the marketing strategies that facilitate the delivery of product from company to customer according to the desired amount of demand. And for the distribution cost can be defined as cost related to all operation from the time the product is purchased or manufactured to the moment the product arrives in the hand of customer. The previous research that we took to compare and support our theories and calculating in the study. Next is the third chapter, or the result and discussion. The overview, company profile, there is company name as PT Ades Alvindo Putra Setia before the acquisition by Coca-Cola Amatil. And then there is a brand, Ades, year founded by 1984, industry in bottled water of various size. And then there is main product, a bottled water, and some office address, phone, email, and web situs. In 2016, Coca-Cola Amatil acquired the brand, ending the independent management of Ades. This acquisition is a strategic move by Coca-Cola Amatil to expand its product portfolio and strengthen its position in non-carbonated beverage market in Indonesia. Under the ownership of Coca-Cola Amatil, Ades continued to evolve and adapt to changing market and consumer needs. After a long journey, Ades is now one of the leading drinking water brand in Indonesia. So there is also the organizational structure. The organizational structure at PT Coca-Cola Amatil Indonesia that can be seen at the picture below. Next. For the northwest corner rule method, there is the step from the start, that is from the upper left cell, and the cost table from northwest corner, and then repeat the process until all supply and demand are met. So for the least cost method, the step is identifying the cell with the lowest transportation cost, then allocate as much as possible to that cell without exceeding the supply and demand limit. Repeat this step until all demand and supply are met. For result and discussion, this data is based on interview with logistic managers at Coca-Cola Amatil in 2022. This data can be seen in the following tables, that is warehouse capacity and outline needs. For the application of the northwest corner method, calculation of northwest corner method gets a total cost result at 2,514,500. For the least cost method gets the total cost as 2,550,900. The conclusion of the application for both methods, based on the analysis conducted, this study will conclude that which method is more efficient in terms of distribution cost in ADES drinking water product in Coca-Cola Amatil companies. There is the northwest corner method because the least cost method produces a distribution cost calculation more than the northwest corner method. So that both have a cost difference at 36,400 rupiah.
And there is a frame of mind. Minimize expenses by making the right decision to allocate products based on supply and demand using distribution cost consideration in order to achieve maximum profit at minimum cost. So it shows the result that the application of the transportation model affects distribution costs where decision making at the minimum cost of the two methods in the transportation model can optimize the company's distribution cost. Therefore, a hypothesis can be drawn which is as follows. The application of transportation model affects the optimization of distribution cost. And the research paradigm is an abstraction of the phenomena under study, in this case in accordance with the title of the research that the author put forward, namely comparative analysis of transportation models using the Northwest Corner rule and least cost method to distribution cost, then to describe the relationship between independent variables and dependent variables, the author provides a research paradigm stated as follows. So there is the paradigm. Next. And there is operational variable in the first table. This will show the operational variable for the Northwest Corner method, or can denote it x1, and least cost method denoted as variable x2. And finally, for the third variable, which is the distribution cost or variable w. So for the last chapter in this proposal is about conclusion and suggestion. So the first one is about conclusion on this proposal. Conclusion number one is the Northwest Corner rule or NWCR method resulted in a total distribution cost of 2,514,500 Indonesian rupiah. Although simpler and easier to implement, this method does not take costs into account in the initial selection, so the resulting solution may not be optimal. When compared to the least cost method, the total distribution cost generated is 2,550,900 Indonesian rupiah. And the last, the least cost method can provide a solution closer to optimal compared to NWCR method, as it considers cost in the initial allocation process. This is important for a more cost-effective distribution strategy in the long run. The company saved transportation cost of 4,500,000 Indonesian rupiah from the original cost of 7 million Indonesian rupiah using the Northwest Corner method and least cost method. And for the suggestion, the Coca-Cola Amatil company is advised to use the Northwest Corner method on other drinking water products for quick and simple implementation, especially in the primary goal to reach an initial solution quickly. Companies are advised to combine the use of NWCR and least cost methods or integrate this method with other optimization techniques such as FAM or MODI methods to achieve more optimal results in distribution cost. Future research is expected to apply these two methods to various types of industries to see the generalization, results, and efficiency in different contexts. And last, companies are advised to conduct regular evaluation of the methods used in distribution to ensure that the selected methods remain relevant and effective in the face of changing market conditions and operational costs. So that's enough for the seminar proposal presentation from our group. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.